So here we go. Let's talk about solving some complex math problems that would either take quite a bit of time on your calculator or quite a bit of looking on Google to find the right website to help you solve some of these problems. The first thing I want to start with is this prompt that's very practical for my specific use case. If I want to create an online course in 30 days with 65 lessons and 17 learning exercises, how many lessons do I have to complete per day? And separately, how many learning exercises do I need to complete every single day in order to finish everything in the 30-day window? So we have our answers here, and what ChatGPT started with was the formula that it used and then the answers to the equation. So it's telling me that I'm going to need to complete 2.17, so it shows the decimal, of lessons per day to hit my 30-day window. And for the learning exercises, out of 17 for the 30 days, I need to complete half a day or one every 2 days to hit my goal. I could then put this into my calendar, put it into my schedule, and use these numbers to make sure that I hit my goals. And for the next equation, let's do this. If I want to make 300K this year, how much money do I have to make per day, excluding weekends and holidays? There are online calculators that you can find that will do something similar, but having these answers all in one place with your past conversations logged adds a really easily way to find the information that you looked up in the past and just keeps everything organized in one place. So here's our answer. For 300,000 with 365 days per year, I would have to make $821 per day. And with the non-working days subtracted from this, aka weekends and holidays, the amount that I would have to make per day is a whopping number of $1,096. And to take this even one step further, you could ask ChatGPT, what is the best way to make $1,000 per day? It'll pop out answers and you can further refine and get more different ideas that you might not already be using to hit your goals. So just another reason to use ChatGPT over some of the other tools out there. Now let's go on to our next prompt. What is the formula to convert USD to Euro with a Google Sheets expression? So this is a slightly different than our previous equations, but it's going to actually give us the code and the way to do this inside of Google Sheets. So that's pretty sweet. It gave us the code and it gave us the way to more effectively use Google Sheets. And I want to add one last example with Excel. So what is an Excel expression to calculate a depreciating asset at 23% depreciation per year? And just like that, ChatGPT gave us the formula to use inside of Excel, and it also gave us an example. So it says, let's say you have an asset that initially costs $10,000 and you want to calculate its value after 5 years of depreciation at 23% per year. The formula would be right here, we have it. And this would return a value of $2,997.11, which represents the value of the asset after 5 years of depreciation at 23% per year. So this is an excellent tool for coming up with formulas for other tools that you can use to solve these more complex math problems while still saving time.